Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to solve Facebook not loading problem. First of all, click on the Facebook app and scroll for some time and see if it is lagging or not working properly. If it is not, then just close all the apps and click on the app again. What this does is it refreshes the app. So you can also refresh within the app by just scrolling downwards and leaving. It will refresh on itself and this should solve the problem. Also, what you can do is check your Wi-Fi internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is not strong, you can always switch back to cell data and see if different results are seen. Or you can just check your Wi-Fi speed by heading to Chrome and search for Wi-Fi speed test and click on run speed test. As you can see, the speed is probably too low, so that is the reason why the Facebook is not loading properly. Sometimes it may not be the problem on your side with the Wi-Fi, but sometimes the servers are also down. So you can also check in the internet by searching is Facebook down and head to the website called Down Detector. Scroll down and you'll see if there is problem with the Facebook servers. So this is one way to find out. And the last way is that you need to make sure that your app is up to date. So head to the Play Store and search for Facebook and see if it is up to date or not. You need to have the latest version installed. As you can see, it is already installed to the latest version, so nothing to do here. Else, instead of open button, there will be update section, so you need to make sure that your app is up to date. And these are the quick fixes that you may try to solve any problem you may face with Facebook